What up, everyone? Today is a damn good day. Today, I finally got my unemployment money that I've been waiting for so long. And honestly, in my entire lifetime, I never, ever thought I would get unemployment. I never said I would go and sign up for unemployment, but this pandemic really screwed me over. I haven't had an actual job in 4 years. The last time I had an actual W-2 job was for a stunt show that I was doing in 2017, and since then I've literally only worked and made my own businesses. Worked for Doordash. I make money on YouTube. I have my own stunt show. Everything I do is basically a 1099, and none of the taxes get taken out. So essentially, I have my own business, completely self-sufficient, self-employed, all that good stuff. Haven't had any kind of job in a while that pays me an actual W-2. So that being said, I never thought that I would actually be qualified for unemployment. Hence, I haven't had an employed job in a long time. But a few weeks ago, one of my friends told me, hey, they're actually doing unemployment for self-employed people, which for me, as someone who has lost over 50 grand in the last few months due to this COVID, I had well over 50 grand worth of stunt show contracts signed, ready to go. I already put down the insurance money, the insurance was paid for, everything was set as far as I could possibly tell. This was about mid-February, everything was all good, never thought the coronavirus would come to America. And then out of nowhere, within about, I'd say a week, all of my contracts just got canceled. And there's not much you could do about it because they were too far out to have deposits down. But basically, 50 grand, poof, never thought I would get it back. So unfortunately, I had to resort back to working for Doordash, which honestly, it's not that bad, but I hate it because I hate putting on miles on my car and I don't really need to do it. Just now, all of a sudden, all my future income disappeared, so I had to stick to DoorDash and delivery driving again. It was pretty unfortunate until my friend told me about the unemployment. Now I'm not gonna drag the story on too long. So I woke up today, wanted to check my bank account, didn't really expect much to be in there, and bam, there's an extra 10 grand just chilling. And I'm like, no way did this actually work. The self-employment, unemployment insurance, whatever it is, actually paid me. So, it said that I was gonna get $5,800 and that's what was supposed to be paid out. So I'm assuming the extra is pandemic pay or whatever it is, but somehow there's an extra 4 grand in there. It says on my account that they paid me out $5,800 and I am eligible for up to $18,000, which means there's quite a bit more coming in, which honestly to me is pretty unbelievable. And it's actually so nice to know that our government would actually do something for someone who hasn't had a job in a long time. I'm totally self-employed, but it is real. I did get that money. It's in my bank account. I am honestly still in disbelief that that's the actual number that I was supposed to get, but it's pretty surprising. Just wanted to share my story with how I got that money and what I did. I signed up a few weeks ago, filled in all the way back to February 2nd, literally put in how much money I made. It was the only money I was making was on DoorDash, so you're still technically self-employed. I just filled out how much money I made. I qualified for up to $469, and that was based off the taxes that I made last year. So I qualified for up to $469 a week, and every dollar that the difference between what I made and $469 is what they paid me every single week up until now. So quite honestly, I'm just still in disbelief, and it's so awesome. So if you guys are out there and you are self-employed and you live in Nevada, I don't know what it is for the rest of the states. I'm not really up to date on this kind of stuff, but I just want to share my story that it is real and it did happen, and there's an extra 10 grand just chilling in my bank account. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. more awesome videos and stuff coming in the future. Thank you guys. Hope this video kind of inspired you to know that it is real. You can't get unemployment money like that. All right, thank you guys. Peace out. See you in the next one.